Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? It is super hot here, guys, in Texas. Yeah, even with the air conditioner, still feels really hot up here. Okay, so we're gonna do a unboxing of snack size, I believe number 20. And so basically snack sizes just means it's a small painting. So they're great for trying out if you're a beginner. They're great as a gift, and they're great if you're traveling. Okay. So this one is a square, okay? Comes in a very shiny box, and it's called Surrounded by Sunflowers by Lowell Herrero. And I believe he's the same artist that I did the last snack size, which was snack size number 19, which was Hugo Higi. It's that cute cat with the little butterfly on his nose. So yeah, it's the same artist, okay? All right, so let's open this baby up. Oh, well, let me show you the back. I almost forgot. In the back, it just basically tells you how it works step by step, what's in the kit. Okay. All right. Yeah, my hands are a little bit on the sweaty side. I don't know why. Maybe because I was running up and down the stairs. Yeah. Okay, so this is a toolkit. All right. So it comes with, I believe, 2 stickers. It comes with a small sticker. And this one you just peel, and you could put this on top or on the bottom of your box or on your logbook. Here's the toolkit. In the toolkit, I love opening the toolkit because we never know what kind of washi tape we're going to get, or cover minder. So, all right, let's see what we have in here. Now, because it's a square, all the square paintings come with tweezers. Okay, very, very sharp, so be careful. It comes with resealable bags, like I mentioned before, just in case you're traveling and you don't have the containers. These come in handy. You could put the drills in here. Look how pretty the cover minder, guys. It's a blue rose or turquoise. And basically, cover minder is just a magnet, see? And so when you are going to work on your painting, all the paintings come with a plastic covering on the adhesive. So you peel back the plastic and you put this, the cover minder, on top of the plastic to hold it in place, and then you basically put the magnet underneath the canvas, and it'll snap and it'll hold the plastic back so while you diamond paint. Okay, so it comes with a pen with a single drill, a single placer, so you could actually just use one drill here. And then, of course, it comes with a 7 and a 4. So you can use 4 drills at a time. You can pick 4 drills at a time. And here you can pick up 7. And, of course, this is the cover. Oh, my God, the comfort grip. And very pretty color. And this is supposed to go slide in your pen. Oh, yay, I got it. And that's supposed to help with your hands for comfort. And, of course, it comes with some wax, heart-shaped wax. And be aware, guys, that this does come with a plastic covering, so make sure you peel it back before you use the wax, or else it's not going to work, because that's what I did. And of course, a tray. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot the washi tape. Look how pretty this is. It's pink, and it's got like a darker pink. I think they're flowers. Yep, and some green in there. Yeah, very pretty. All right, so let's put everything in here and let's move it aside. All right, here comes the canvas. Like I mentioned before, it is considered a small, so a snack size painting. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say do what makes you happy. And it comes in a plastic covering to protect it while it's traveling. Okay, so in here are the drills and the sticker and the instructions. Let's put that aside. There it goes. Thank you for your purchase. What's included in the kit? Tips and tricks. Take 10% off your next purchase using thank you 10. There's a VIP Facebook group and step-by-step instructions. Okay, so let's put that aside. We don't need that right now. Here's a sticker. And this is what I put in my logbook. So, Surrounded by Sunflowers by Lowell Herrero. You put down the start date, the end date. Okay, it's a square, and it comes with pre-cut individual stickers, so you could actually use these and put these on your containers. And here are the beautiful drills. By the way, the drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. And here is a sticker surrounded by sunflowers. Just in case you separate it from the canvas, you'll know that these drills go with that beautiful canvas. All right, and of course, all the Diamond Art Club, we can't help ourselves, but it's very soft, guys. So it feels really nice. All right. And of course, the canvas is designed that way to prevent wrinkling and fraying. And it is also made from heavy duty waterproof fabric for extra string. And you can do this, guys. You can roll it back. All right. Voila. Oh my gosh. I mean, who doesn't like a cow, right? Surrounded by sunflowers. Come on, guys. Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. Let me bring this a little closer. Okay. It comes with 2 legends. And so it has a legend on your left-hand side and on the right-hand side. On the right-hand side, it's more to the bottom. Okay, and then here you have the picture of the painting. It says DAC, surrounded by sunflowers. It's 20 inches by 13 inches, which is 51 centimeters by 33 centimeters. Lowell Herrero, Diamond Art Club. And in the middle, it just basically, it says take 10 for 10% off your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And over here you have the lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Lifetime warranty, I said that already. Free diamond spill insurance and 10% cashback rewards with every order. All right, so let's look at this beautiful painting, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. All right, first, the cow. I mean, look at those big black eyes and the big ears pointing out. And look, it looks like he has got like a little hairdo going on here. Maybe a DA. No, maybe not. Like little bangs. And then, of course, this is the body of the cow and his nose. And he looks very happy because, or she looks very happy. As you can see, she's surrounded by beautiful, bright yellow sunflowers. And maybe she's smelling them going, what is this? Maybe she's just curious and she wants to figure out what this beautiful yellow is. And of course, up on the sky, there's beautiful blue sky, a little bit of some clouds, but most of it is blue skies. I love it, guys. Very, very cute, dazzling sunflowers. And if I know I would frame this, but if you framed it, where would you put it? Where would you hang it? I think it would look great in the kitchen, right? Love the colors. And by looking at it, it has a little bit of both confetti and color blocking. So just in case, if you're a beginner, confetti, it looks like it's on the petals of the sunflowers. And that basically means that there's a lot of different colors in there. So you're going to have to continuously change the drills. And then color blocking, it's like around here, on the sky, over here. It just basically means that it's the same drill, same color. So you're not going to have to do a lot of changes. Oh, wow. And bring him up, or bring her up. See her little bangs, and then her big black eyes. And there goes her nose. She's smelling the flowers. Yeah. And who doesn't like a cow? And who doesn't like sunflowers? Yeah. So we're going to look at the colors. Let's move this back now. And I'll be right back. Okay, let's begin. 301 mahogany medium. Can you see it there? Yeah. So 310, we have 2 bags of 310, which is black. 317 is pewter gray. Oh wait, did I skip one? Sorry, I skipped. 312 is baby blue, very dark. So that goes there. And then 317 is pewter gray. 322 is baby blue dark. And 334 is 2 bags of baby blue medium. Lots of baby blues in this painting, guys. 400 is mahogany dark. Let's put it over here. 402 mahogany very light. And 413 is pewter gray dark. Let's move the light a little closer. 640 is beige gray very dark. 642 is beige gray dark. And 644 is beige gray medium. 712 cream. 741 is tangerine medium, probably for the sunflowers. 742 tangerine light. And 743 is yellow medium. 775 is baby blue very light. More baby blue. 814 garnet dark. 815 garnet medium. 938 coffee brown ultra dark. 3023 brown gray light. 3033 brown gray very light. Almost finished, guys. 3325 baby blue light. 3371 black brown. 3721 shell pink dark. 3755 baby blue. 3776 mahogany light. 3799 pewter gray very dark. And the last one is 3841 baby blue pale. So lots of yellows, lots of baby blues in the blue family. And of course I said yellows, yeah. All right, so now we have 2 ABs. So let's move these aside and let's look which 2 ABs we have. So we have 125, which is a very, very pretty light blue. Like a pale, light pale blue. And 141 is white. So let's bring back the beautiful painting and let's look at the legend to see where these two go. So 125, according to the legend, is symbol 1. And by the way, I forgot to mention that the legend does come in handy because it tells you how many colors it has, 31 colors. The symbols are what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place your drills. And these are the DMC code. And by looking at this, you can see it has 2 ABs, which just means Aurora Borealis. And this just means that it has an extra coating on it to make it shinier, extra shinier. Okay, so symbol 1. Well, let's see. Symbol 1, okay, right here on the cloud. Yeah, it looks like it's on the clouds. Any on the cow? Nope. On the flowers? Nope. Yeah, so the clouds, okay. And then 141 is symbol 3. Symbol 3, okay, I see it. Symbol 3 is, it's not on the clouds, okay. It looks like it's on, over here, on top of the back of the cow. As you can see, it's really not a lot. Some over here on the body, over here, and that's it. I can't believe that there's no ABs on the sunflowers, but you know what that means, right, guys? You could either add sparklers, ABs, or crystals to make them shiny, or you can leave it alone. So that's about it, guys. I hope you love this painting as much as I do, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the weekend. And thank you, and bye-bye, and take it easy.